I'm so excited. My new Paletteful Pack came and I'm going to open it, find out what's in it, and make something from it. Let's do this. All right, here we go. Ooh, purple shreds. That's kind of fun. And let's see. Aqua ink. Pearl white. Oh, okay. It just needed to be shaken up. Aqua ink. And there's more of them. So this one is rose gold. This one is copper. This one's green. They look like they're all metallics. This one is pearl red. They do seem not very mixed up. And this one's a blue. And this one's a purple. And a silver. And a gold. All right. Let's move some of that out of the way. We have a dual metallic. I hope y'all can see that. We have a dual metallic brush. It's green and metallic blue by Pentel. We have a pigment liner, 0.5. We have a paintbrush. It is a Princeton Select Round. We have a sticker of a cat on a laptop. And we have an aqua pad of watercolor painting paper. So, more watercolor stuff to play with, metallics in jars. So this should be fun. For those of you who didn't see my Paletteful Pack box from last month, I am a crafter. I'm not an artist. So getting these artist boxes I think is really fun, but I usually don't have a clue how to use these things. So I have to learn, but that's part of the fun, isn't it? So if you're watching this to find the professional way of how to use these products, you might want to pick a different video. But if you want to see me have fun and experiment, then you're in the right place. Let me figure out what I'm going to do. Okay, I think I'm ready to start. I've tested all of the colors, and I've taped down my paper to my table. I have a board, but my board wasn't quite as large as this paper, and I wanted to use the full paper the way it came. So now I'm going to try to kind of sketch out my design. I'm going to try to do a mermaid. I'm using this pencil that came in last month's kit, and I am not a drawer, as you can tell. Okay, so that's my super rough sketch, and let's go ahead, and I kind of like this rose gold. I think I'm going to use that for her skin tone. And look, I've already messed up. Okay, that's blue. That's not skin. Okay, so maybe I shouldn't have used that blue because now everything's kind of turning blue. All right, I'm ready to work on the mermaid tail. And by the way, this is the back of her. I'm gonna have hair coming down her back in just a minute. So the darker colors I really seem to like. I'm not quite so sure about the lighter colors so far. She's going to have red hair. I should not have used that blue pencil. I am having trouble getting rid of those lines. Makes me want to totally start over. I wonder if I put some water on the paper first. This is my dirty water. If that will help on some of these colors. Spreading some, oh, I like that. That looks good. So on these dark colors, a little goes a long way. I love how it's kind of spreading out, and I can just use a lot of water on here. Should probably grab a larger brush, but I'm trying to do this with the stuff that came in the kit, which is why I haven't gone and grabbed a larger brush. Oh, that's satisfying. That's fun. Ooh, look at it spread. Oh, now I kind of want to just do like a drip painting, where I just drip my colors onto a page. I taped my paper down, and it is buckling a lot. So if someone could leave me a message in the comments as to what I need to do. I mean, I know I've used a lot of water on this, but I didn't think my paper was supposed to buckle like this. I haven't seen this on other people who do tutorials on watercolors. I want to add a little bit of purple. All right, I'm gonna let that dry, and I'm gonna come back after I eat some lunch and look at it with fresh eyes. Now I'm gonna take the pen that came with it, and to make sure everything is completely dry, I'm just gonna line my mermaid. I'm gonna take the tape off now, and we're gonna see how my edges did. What I really liked about this is actually this pen. I thought this pen was beautiful, or this paint pen. So I think I'm gonna go over my diagonal edges here with this beautiful green blue color. I'm really struggling with this. I don't think it looks that great. So I'm gonna add a quote to it to help it to look a little bit better. This quote that I found says, "Be a mermaid and make waves." I'm using a white Posca pen, and I have to go over it twice so that the white letters show up nice and bright. And then I take the black liner, and I'm just using that to add a little bit of shadow around the white letters. Thank you for those of you who are still watching as I've made my kindergarten version of a mermaid. I've enjoyed having this Paletteful Packs box, and I'm learning so much. Remember, it's more about the process than it is about the product. This can go in my art journal and never has to be seen again. Please give this video a like, subscribe if you haven't already, and have a super awesome day. Toodles!